In today's video, I'll show you 5 new business ideas that you can start immediately. Anyone can make them work and you don't need too much money to start. In order to get every step right, make sure to follow me till the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online. Also, if you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. So I'm going to start with the very first business idea, which is drop servicing edited YouTube videos. So some YouTube influencers want to get their YouTube videos edited for them, and what you're going to do is that you're not going to edit those videos by yourself. You're going to just go over to different freelancing websites like fiverr.com or even upwork.com, and you're going to find people that are editing YouTube videos. As you can see, this person is charging like $20, and you're going to just find as many YouTube influencers as you can, and after that you're going to charge them even more so you can get your profit. For example, you can charge them like $40 or $50 and you can get $20 and $30 of profit. So just find different YouTubers, email at least 100 different YouTubers with less than 1.5 million subscribers, and you can just tell them that if they need any help editing their YouTube videos, and then you're going to just go over to these people on freelancing websites. You can pay them to edit their YouTube videos, and you're going to get your profit without doing those editing by yourself. And with drop servicing, there are some other services that you can do as well. You can even email Instagram influencers or businesses and ask them if they need help growing their Instagram account, and you can just go over to different freelancing websites just like I said even before, and you can find people that do this kind of job, so you can just pay them and you can charge those Instagram influencers and businesses even more and get your profit. So it is a nice strategy that most people are following, so you can do the same thing. So the second business idea that I want to share with you today is Shopify dropshipping. What you can do is to just find a product on Alibaba, and then you're going to just create an account for absolutely free here and click on ready to ship in order to find some product from a particular supplier as well. Then you're going to just create your store with a Shopify, and then you're going to add that product on your store and mark up the price. So you can find some products here on Alibaba that are really cheap, and you can just sell them at your store with a higher price, of course. So what you need to do is to go over to the ready to ship button. You're going to notice here there are a lot of products that you can choose from in any category, and once you find one, of course you need to see also about the supplier. You can just see here that they got a 5-star rating out of 5 and also 96.8% on-time delivery rate, which is pretty awesome. And you can even see that this is a verified supplier, so make sure to just check all of these things out and then just click on contact suppliers. So they're going to just do all of the process. You don't need to get that product physically on your own. The Alibaba supplier is going to do all of that. They are going to deliver the product to your customers, so don't worry about that. Of course, you can even promote your products on your store. You can just go over to TikTok and promote your product. You can even buy a particular product if you want to and just make videos with them, and of course you can just make even more sales, because you're going to get even more sales whenever you promote your product on different social media platforms, which is a nice way to just maximize your earnings. So the third business idea is print on demand. What you can do is to just create an online shop at Etsy, and after that you can go over to printify.com in order to customize the product. You're going to just find any product over here and you're going to create a design. For example, you can create a design for a t-shirt, a phone case, and so on, and then you're going to just connect the accounts and start selling your items here on Etsy. You can see that Printify will create your products and ship it out to your customers, so there is no upfront cost because the product is only made when the customer actually buys it from your Etsy store. So the profit point here is going to be that you're going to sell it higher here on Etsy. You're going to pay less money on printify, and then just get that product and sell it on Etsy. And you're going to just advertise this on TikTok and Pinterest in order to get even more sales. Just like I mentioned even before, these social media platforms are very important if you want to just advertise the product, promote it, and get even more sales. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed with the fourth business idea, which is being a Google Ads specialist. So what you can do is to just help businesses run their Google Ads. But of course, in order to do that, you can go over to skillshop.withgoogle.com. Here you're going to see that they offer some courses about Google Ads specialist. Click on the get started button, and after that you can see that they offer the Google Ads courses here, other courses as well, but we are going to focus on this one. You can just take all of them, and once you complete them, you're going to get a certification from Google, and you can think of that as a degree actually, because it means that now you know more about Google Ads, and you're going to become a Google Ads specialist, which is pretty awesome because you can just get profit from that. What you can do is to go over to different freelancing websites like Fiverr and even Upwork, and you can even see other people doing this job, and they are just charging like $50 per hour, $35 per hour, and even more. So you can do the same thing. You can just start with a lower price like $20 per hour, $30 per hour, and then once you're going to just start getting more customers, you can charge even more, of course. So it is a nice way to get paid online. You can even create your account in these freelancing websites, and for the description you can even get an idea from these other people as well that you can see here on upwork.com, for example. And then you're going to get paid whenever someone is going to hire you. So it's very important to just take those courses. They are going to take you like 2 weeks or 3 weeks to complete, and after that you can just start creating your accounts on these different freelancing websites. So the last business idea is being an Amazon associate. So you can promote products from Amazon with your special link. So as you know, actually on TikTok there is a trend Amazon finds, and people are doing this already. They just get a special link, their affiliate link for a particular product, and they are just promoting it over at their TikTok account. So you can just go over to affiliate-program.amazon.com, which is Amazon Associates page, and you can see that you can get a commission whenever you are going to promote some Amazon product. And you're going to just create a TikTok account where you can promote all of these products, and you're going to leave the link in the bio. So whenever people are going to sign up through your link or even buy that product, you're going to earn some commissions. So I highly recommend that you can just buy some of those products by yourself, so you can just create some videos on your own, and of course you can start promoting them even by using other people's videos, but you need to credit them, of course, in the description. But it's better to just create your own videos, of course. In this case you can create like unique content and make the most money. Don't forget to put the link in the bio so people can just get access to those products that you're going to promote. So with that said, guys, this was it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about these business ideas, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.